an update and his message for all of us here today. Thereafter, there will be a new product launch that he will be revealing it for all of us. So, Tarun, if you over to you, Tarun.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you, Madhu. And good to see. Actually, I can't see any of you, but I know everybody is there. Uh, do let me know the count, Nupur, when you get a sense.
Yeah.
How many people do you think we have?
Currently, we
Sir,
have 3,400 odd.
3,400 odd PCs, right? So there'll be lots of people huddled around PCs, I presume, the
Yeah.
branches. Okay, great. So let me just start. See, what we're going to do is, as Madhu just said, an industry update, a little bit about Malik, where we are, and we will do this every quarter now. Try to couple up with a product launch, or in any case, just as an update. Uh, take you through product mixes, the awards we've got, the engagement that we've, some good things that have come out in the engagement journey, and eventually the new product launch. And there are two significant product launches, and I think that's the most exciting part of this. So just uh, move on to the slides, please.
Sorry, 1 second, please. It's just
Yeah, just move to the next slide. Yeah. So we start with the industry update. So, gentlemen and ladies, I even if you clap, I won't be able to hear you. But good thing is the BALIC is the fastest growing life insurance company YTD, and this is something that I'm extremely proud of. Each of you put your head and heart into this literally, and this is showing up in all the numbers. Uh, a few others are trying to catch up, and I can see some numbers coming good from a few companies here and there. Moving on the NOPs, on the NOPs as well, we while on APE we are top six, on NOPs we have moved up to number four, and we're only just doing better and better. We were number three till November, but we slipped a position because Tata got a lot of policies in December. I am sure that we will move back to number three. But the good thing is that we maintained a significant growth rate. On the next slide, I will show you a little bit about BALIC performance, overall industry, channel-wise, etc. So if you look at our growth has been 24%, agencies grown by 26, 44% has been growth of PSF. The in-house channel, that is the web sales, is coming into its own 68% growth, and IB has grown at 18%. Our distribution mix now 46% is IB, 12% is BALIC Direct, which I call PSF and in-house put together, and 42% is agency. So it's a good diversified distribution. Of course, something that I'm very proud of is the 1 lakh crores of premium of total AUM we have. These are the five significant banks that we've tied up. And the good thing is that BALIC is been focusing on our partnerships, whether it's banks or agencies. We value our partners equally. And good thing is that because we value everybody equally, we do find that banks prefer it, and we've had more and more banks coming to us. So these are the five we got. I will tell you about the BALIC agency, which has been doing quite well as well. We are now very clearly established as the number two agency after SBI Life. So in the private sector, truly, we are the number one. And good thing is that we've been able to get good amount of MDRT, so that is kind of healthy. And the way it looks, COTs and TOT qualifiers have been significant as well. Our variabilized agency has gone from strength to strength. Now we are at 23% of the entire agency comes from variable channels, which is very good. RPD, IM, and ASO. That's what it means. And of course, the new verticals, ULIP term, ULIP plus term, and retirement. CISO has been our game changer. Good thing is that we are now launching CISO in par and non-par as well. And we are going to be doing more and more, even in the PSF channel and CISO. The PSF channel has really paced up well and is now the second largest PSF channel in the country. As of to this, it started from year zero about 6 years back, and now we're number two. But as you know, we would love to be number one and keep watching the space. After defense and NTB, Amit Jaiswal and team have launched the CISO business as well. It's a very good start with 5,000 policies. I'm waiting for this to be your monthly number of policies someday. Uh, Good thing is that momentum is coming up here as well. You all know that it is very important to look at quality of business. It is stabilizing. It is better than last year, except I know the 37th month, which I'm sure Souvik Roy and team, all the Access team will work on and ensure that we get this up. Uh, Having said that, our persistency is looking better and better, both for agency, PSF, and bulk of IB. One or two places, of course, we need to improve. In-house web sales has the best persistency of upwards of 95%. All this is only good news, and I'm sure we can do more and more on this side. Yeah, we'll keep working on increasing persistency in all cohorts. I think that's the commitment I would want from you. And you can pretty well be sure that that is going to be part of your goal sheets and the vision of the management. GWP, again, it has been a strong 14% growth. And good thing is the renewals have grown by 31%. So entire work done by Rajesh Krishnan and team is showing up. And 31% is very healthy growth in renewals. We expect this to do better and better. Option service, great job. All businesses, great job. Let's now move to the product mix. If you look at the product mix, we've had a very healthy par mix this year because of a phenomenal launch and take up of the ACE product, which has been a game changer product for the sector. Keep moving. You can move it in one go, please, all of these. A non-par term, while it has grown, I am not very happy about this. We have to work on our non-par term. Our target was about 6%. I'm sure my friends at agency and PSF particularly will pick it up more and more. I would want the term to be getting better. ULIP at 38%, also because of a lot of CISO, which is fine, but I'd like the term to go up more and more. The ticket size has been largely stable. This graph has disproportionately shown it's significant, but a 3% ticket size is absolutely okay. If you look at various businesses as well, the ticket sizes are in front of you. In the case of the in-house channel, in-house web sales, it has come down logically so because they're just focusing only on term. But each of the other channels have a healthy ATS. Please move. Awards and recognitions. This is something that is unique. I know I reached out to a lot of you. We've done a webinar on that as well. So you do know that there were 6 finalists for the Asia Pac region. And as of 3 months back, The Asia Back winners were all of you. Bajaj Allianz Life was the winner of the Insurance Innovation Award. Just to let you know about the organization which conducts it, it has 50,000 members. It is 1,200 companies, countries, and more. Some 4,000 insurtechs participate in the digital insurer platform. And when the awards were called out, there were more than 200 plus entries from 40 countries. There were 8,000 viewers who were watching it live for these awards. And eventually there were close to 40 finalists all across the globe. Uh, and the way this went, yeah, yes. So in the Asia Pacific region, the participants were quite a few, and then eventually, there were three finalists in the globe, which was Allianz, go back, Allianz, Prudential, and ourselves, Bajaj Allianz. Our WhatsApp conversational bot, which is a very good platform, which is being used for our customer servicing. Now, agents are using it quite extensively. All sales managers are using it quite extensively, and some businesses can use more and more of it. And I'm sure they're moving it more and more. All your HR work now happens through this. So, gentlemen and ladies, I am pleased to inform you that you are the global winners of the World Digital Insurance Awards. Congratulations. Why don't you clap for yourself wherever you're sitting? Do that. While a few people would have been involved in making this and putting this together and getting the services up and running, but a lot of you have been using it and been propagating it. And something good that has been done by Malik, first time an Indian company in the life insurance sector has won this award. Fantastic. Keep it up and keep watching this space. We will be going forward more and more in our digital trajectory. और आप देखेंगे कि काफी और चीजें आती रहेंगी और whether it's analytics, digital, innovation, Malik shall be leading from the front. The good thing is we've led at the world level now. Once bitten, once you taste the blood, you want it more and more, so we'll be doing this more and more. Some more awards that came through. Of course, this is just in the quarter. We keep getting a lot many awards. Congratulations to each Malaysians. I'll now come to the engagement section. So every year, we run the WISE survey. We are already at a very high engagement score. And good thing is that this has only been going up. The participation has been good. And please keep it like that. It's gone up from 88% to 90%. And I'm very happy to say that our engagement scores, which I thought were kind of peaky, have gone up to 83%. And dimensions which we have particularly done very well are performance management, customer focus, and the brand. In all of these, the score is 86% or plus, which is phenomenal. The places we need to work more, and I know I'll be totally transparent with you always, where the score is less than 80%, is still around collaboration. We need to work on collaboration. We need to work more on empowerment. And I can assure you with me, the Mancom is working on how to ensure our scores get better and better. A lot of this, incidentally, is at the doorstep of the head office in Pune. तो पुणे वासियों को देखना है कि कैसे हम ये स्कोर ठीक करें और कोलैबोरेट करें. स्कोर ऐसे ही ठीक नहीं होगा. It's only if you are collaborating with your scores get better. It's only if you're empowering your teams, then the scores will get better. It's only if you take empowerment, will these scores get better? Anyways, let's move to the next slide. So one of the things that I've been talking about is getting to more and more responsible and deeper listening. There have been 40 RBCs statewide. There are town halls that are frequently happening. Employees have participated in various of these town halls. Sometimes there have been two in a state or a city. Pune has had quite a few functional town halls and town halls otherwise. Uh, and this platform of listening to act shall remain active forever. As a senior management, we are listening in and we shall keep listening in to whatever each of you have to say so that we can reduce all the congestion that is there in the way you work and assist you in doing better and better on a daily basis. In terms of career opportunities, what Shantanu and team had launched has really worked very well. Each of the businesses, each of the functions have supported extremely well. And Quran, as you know, is a method through which you are actually able to find your own placements internally. In case you want a job shift, in case you want to uh, look up at a one level higher role, uh, other than promotions, this is the other way of also moving up. And I'm very happy that Quran has been very successful. This has been one of the reasons why we are looking more and more employee first. उत्सव आपका काम काफी tough है. You do a tough job. It's not easy to sell life insurance. It is not easy to service life insurance. It is not easy to engage in a discussion during life insurance sales and even do the functional support. We have to ensure that you remain happy and the rewards and recognition will keep happening. As usual, we had an ABC last year, which is the annual business convention, and there have been quarterly awards that have been there all across India. This will continue. To go into details, now I'm going to ask Shantanu to step in. Shantanu, can you take the stage?
Thanks, Tarun. Thank you so much. Yes, the scores have moved up, as Tarun rightly stated. Overall, BALIC score has moved up by 1 point, and the good part is that all the functions, whether agency, BALIC Direct, IB, operations, and the central functions, have seen an improvement in the score. Where in agency it has moved up from 84 to 85, BALIC Direct from 82 to 86, IB from 81 to 82, operations from 76 to 79. The biggest jump has been in central functions, where the score has moved from 67 to 79, which is a big delta. So congratulations. Keep on sharing your views. We are listening. The next slide will talk about the breakup of the central functions, because the central functions are aggregated as one. So here, if you see, it is broken into IT, finance, legal, marketing, actuarial, and analytics. And I will take a pause out here. Here you will see most of the functions, the scores have really gone up. This consistency is very striking. And even the people who are measuring this, the organization called Kincentric, they're a part of Spencer Stuart, they have been also commending us that, sometimes what happens in organization, one function grows in terms of engagement and the other function degrows. But here at BALIC, we have been seeing a consistent growth across the functions, which is very heartening. Can we move slides? So Tarun already covered a lot of initiatives that we have been doing. Some of the initiatives that are also there is customer first, which is the culture which has been set by Tarun for all of us. I think all of you have given very, very positive feedback about Easy, which is the employee bot. Easy, the good part is Easy is no more a HR asset. Other functions like IT, admin, SAIB are already into Easy. It is becoming a one-stop solution for the employees who are spread across more than 500 odd branches. Branch picnics. So this is also something that we have been doing. Almost 63% of the branch picnics for the year, covering more than 14,000 employees, have already happened, and the rest are happening as I am speaking to all of you. The quarterly incentive program is working well, and more people are earning and growing. That's the good thing. Employee wellness, the Energize 2.0, which is the customized well-being program for all of you, has covered till now more than 5,500 employees who have actively participated in Stepathlon contest and the other contests that we launch from time to time. Very happy to share with you that in terms of diversity, we are the number one company in BFS group. We are currently standing at 28% of gender diversity hiring, which is one of the industry best, not certified by me, but certified by, again, Kincentric. Kincentric is saying that you are definitely at the top quartile of the industry as far as diversity hiring is concerned. Obviously, the InstaLearn and the LXP platform, which we had launched, uh, is working. And currently, there is about 80-85% adoption. I am wanting this adoption to go up. More and more people should learn and should grow. So learning and growing is something which should work hand in hand. And that's why our investment to you continues. With this, I will hand it over back to Tarun.
Okay, thank you, Shantanu. So this was to bring you up to speed on whatever is happening in Balik and around. Of course, we are in the months of February and March. J is already done. F and M remain. The most important months of the year, guys, hence the most important part of this presentation, a new product launch. So this is going to be one product launch, of course, and one significant benefit. And I'll ask Madhu, your head of products, to come in and talk about it in detail. But just to give you a little bit on the journey, the slide has been made by Madhu for you guys. And we have had various kind of bits that we've offered the customer, like the Save Assure and Elite Assure gave earlier. This is even before I came in, where you have to wait till the end to get all the benefits. Then came LLA, Lifelong Assure, which was also a very old product with us, and as used to be our favorite product at a point in time. The lifelong benefits were available at the completion of the PPT. Then last year came AWG, 100% guaranteed with ROP. You all loved it. You still love it. And then, of course, came the ACE in the market. And this has been something which has taken Balik by storm, a positive storm. It's also something that is getting established all across the industry as an industry favorite. I'm very happy that you really liked it. But as you always know, Balik will not stop.